Hello amazing ones, welcome once again to Benedicta's platform. Today is chemistry and the topic you'll be treating today is isotopes. Yes. So now what do you mean by isotopes? So what do you mean by isotopes? Isotope is a phenomenon whereby atoms of an element exhibit different mass number but the same atomic number. Whereby an element has what? Different mass number but what? The same atomic number. Alright, so now let's take for instance chlorine. So isotope of chlorine we have 35, 17, and we also have 17, 37. If you look at this now, this is what? The same atomic number but different mass number. Alright, this is also the mass number, this is also the atomic number. Alright, so this is whereby what? Chlorine has what? The same atomic number but different mass number. So this is an isotope. So now let's quickly solve some questions on isotope quickly. For this question, so find the relative atomic mass of the element chlorine with isotopes 3517Cl and 3717Cl with what? And relative abundance of 75% and what? 25%. So this 75% is going to multiply this first one. So that will be 75%, which is 75 over 100 times 35, the mass number, plus 25%, which is 25 over 100 times 37. Alright, so now let's calculate it now. So this will give us 26.25 plus 9.25. Alright, so when you sum them up, you'll be getting 35.5. When you sum it up, you get 35.5. So this is the relative atomic mass of what? Chlorine. So let's solve another question now. It's as simple as ABC. Alright, amazing one. So this is a question on the board. An element with relative atomic mass 16.2 contains two isotopes 16.8x with relative abundance of 90% and M8x with relative abundance of 10%. What's the value of M? This is quite different from the first one. No, it's quite trickish. Okay, so we're going to get it. So now we're going to solve it the same way, but in this one they're giving the relative atomic mass, but we have to find what? M. So now let's solve it now. So contain two isotopes 16.8 with the relative abundance of 90%. That will be 90%, which is 90 over 100 times the what? The mass number, which is 16, plus the relative abundance, which is 10%, 10 over 100 times M. M is the mass number here, which we are looking for, equals to what? The relative atomic mass, which is 16.2. So it is quite different from the previous one. So now when we multiply 90 times 16 and we divide by 100, we'll be getting 14.4 plus this cancel this. So 1 divided by 10 is what? Is 0.1. Then this n equal to 16.2. So to those running away from mathematics, are you seeing that we're going to apply mathematics here? So mathematics is involved. So we're going to collect like terms. So we'll collect like terms. Collect like terms. So now that will be 14.4. So this will move to this side, turn to minus 16.2 equals to this one will move to this side to turn to minus 0.1 m. So 14.4 minus 16.2 plus 1.8 equals to minus 0.1 m. Alright, so now we're going to divide both sides by minus 0.1 minus 0.1. So this cancels this. So our m is equals to 18. Alright, so our m is equals to 18, as simple as ABC. Alright, so this is very simple. Thanks for watching.